Hello, Stuart Earp Auto Detail coming to you on this Wednesday evening. Just want to show you what we worked on today. First off, we have this 2014 Honda Accord in a jet black color. Over 100,000 miles. It's a daily driver, so they just wanted it to shine and ceramic coated, making it easier to clean. Done a Mustang for them at more or less a show car. But they decided to put it on this as well and make it easier on them clean. So CROFTGATE USA processes on it. Thick foam soap outside yesterday with the pressure washer, then brought it inside and wash and wax, clay sponged it, and then went over it with our Rupes and our O'Berks system to get as many scratches and water spots out of the paint that we could. This over 100,000 mile car, and it's an everyday driver, so it still has some deep scratches in it that not going to come out. So but anyhow, he wanted it ceramic coated, and that's what we do. It ain't going to hurt it, so you can ceramic coat anything. It just makes it a whole lot easier to clean. So then we topped it off with CROFTGATE Assurance 2.0 ceramic coating, giving it ultimate hydrophobic properties, ultimate shine, making it easier to clean. As I said, when it warms up, the bugs are just going to fall off. So yes, we done the taillights, we done the trim, we done the wheels, CROFTGATE USA Tire Shine Plus on the tires. So yes, there you have it. So that's all for this one. If you need anything from us, you can just give us a holler at 336-468-0737. And that, my friends, is the power of CROFTGATE USA.